Hello friends, welcome to my channel ICT by Ruchi. Today we will do some MCQs on MS Paint and it will be the chapter 7 of class 1 of Olympiad preparation. You can use it as a basic question answer also based on MS Paint for grade 1. So let's start. First question, arrange the given steps in a correct order to open MS Paint program in your computer. So you have to make a sequence. First, click on start button. Second, select programs. Third, click on paint option. Fourth, click on accessories. So tell me the answer fast. How to open MS Paint in our computer? Answer is A. 1, 2, 4, 3 means firstly we click on start button, then programs, then accessories, and at the last we click on paint option. Next question, which of the following tool is used in the given image? Eraser, pencil, line or rectangle? Tell me the answer. Answer is B. As we can see that NCO is written freehand and freehand drawing is made using a pencil tool. Okay. Next, which of the following tool will erase the part of the picture 1 to make it look like picture 2? So these are the tools. It's a fill color, it's eraser, it's picker and it's magnifier. So tell me the answer fast. Answer is B. Eraser tool. As you can see, some part of some picture is erased here. Next, which of the following tool is used in drawing the given shape? A. Color picker, B. Rectangle, C. Eraser or D. Diamond? Tell me the answer. Okay, it is made wrong. Here it is it's a A. Okay, so the answer is A. Line tool. Okay, in the previous image it is showing as a color picker, but it is not color picker. It is a line tool. Okay. Next, select the correct match. Eraser, it is used for draw freehand drawing. Rectangle to draw pentagon. Line tool to draw circle, or a oval tool to draw circle. So tell me the answer. Answer is D. This is correct. It is used to draw circle. Okay. D is oval tool which is used to draw circle. Line tool for drawing line. Rectangle tool for drawing the rectangles. And eraser to erase something. Next, which of the following tool is not used while drawing the given picture? So you have a picture. Now you have the tool name also. Arrow, rectangle, pencil and line. To tell me which tool is not used, means which shape is not coming in this figure. Answer is C. Pencil. As we can see, no freehand shape is drawing here. So on using pencil we can draw freehand drawing, and they all are made using arrow, rectangle and line tool. So C, pencil tool is not used in this picture. Next, which of the following tools are found in the ribbon area? Eraser, pencil, line or all of these? Answer is D. All of these. As we know, ribbon is the area where different tools are used is found. Okay. Next, what is the use of given tool? This is a bucket and color is coming out. A. It is used to fill the picture with color. B. It is used to erase your drawing. C. It is used to pick a color from a picture. Or D. It is used to select a part of a picture. So tell me the answer. Answer is A. It is used to fill the picture with color. The tool is fill with color. Next, which of the following tool can be used to fill the given shape with color? Answer is A. It's very easy. Fill with color. This bucket is used for filling shape with color. Next, which of the following tools cannot be used to draw shapes? Fill color, rectangle, line or oval tool? Answer is A, because we know that these B, C, D draw the shape, but bucket tool, fill with color tool does not make a shape. It is just fill the shape with color. So answer is A, which cannot be used to draw shapes. What is drawing area? A. It is an area where you can draw shapes and picture. B. It is an area where you can choose color and shape for the drawing. C. It is an area where tools are found. or D, it is an area where you can only edit colors. tell me the answer. Answer is A. It is an area where you can draw shapes and pictures. Next, which of the following tool will help you to draw the free form lines as shown here? Pencil, line, eraser, or both A and B? Answer is A. It's a pencil tool, can be used to make freehand drawing, free form lines. Okay. Next, the given set of tools and shape are found in dash: drawing area, workspace area, ribbon area, or all of these. Answer is C. Ribbon area. As we know, all tools are found in ribbon. Next, which of the following shapes can be drawn using line tool? A, B, C, D, all of these. Answer is D. As you can see, all are the straight lines. Some are sleeping, some are slanting lines. So all are made using line tool. Next, which of the following tool is used to draw the closed shape? Closed shape means which do not have any area left open. Okay. A, B, C, or D? Both A and B. Answer is D. Both A and B. As we can see in rectangle and oval, no area is left open. So these both are closed shape. So these both tools are used to make a closed shape. Next, which of the following tool is not used in drawing the given picture? Line, rectangle, oval, or fill color? Answer is C. Fill with color. As we can see that no color or shading is present in this picture. Okay. Next, what would be the result of given step? Step 1. Select an oval tool. Go to drawing area. Click and drag the mouse to draw an oval shape. Select fill with color. Select any color from the color palette in background color. Go to the oval shape and right click the mouse. You have to again read this step slowly. Pause the video, read it, and then tell me which shape will come out. Okay, I am giving you time. Answer is A. See, we have selected an oval tool and then we have drawn the oval tool, then fill the color in the background and oval shape and right click the mouse. So A is drawn. Next, which of the following tool are used when you want to do the given task while drawing? To draw a rectangle shape, to use eraser if you make a mistake, to fill the shape with color? A, B, C, or D? All of these. Answer is D. All of these. Because to draw a rectangle, we need a rectangle tool, that is C part. To use eraser, if we make a mistake, we need D, eraser tool. And to fill the shape with color, we need fill with color. So A, B, C. All three tools are used in all these three operations. So D is the correct answer. Next, the given option is used to, this is a palette. So A, choose a color for your drawing, choose the shape for your drawing, choose the different tool for your drawing, or none of these. Answer is A. As you can see, this is a color palette, so we can choose the color for our drawing. Next, identify the following. You can use it to draw the freehand drawing. By using this tool, you can even draw perfect straight line while holding the shift key. Eraser, pencil, rectangle, or oval. Answer is B. Pencil tool. Means pencil tool is used for making a freehand drawing, but if we hold a shift key, we can draw a straight line using the pencil tool also. Hope you like this video. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Bye bye.